In the intricate dance of technology, one company leads the charge with unparalleled precision. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC. Founded in 1987 by Morris Chang, TSMC revolutionized the tech world with the dedicated semiconductor foundry model. As the largest foundry on the globe, it boasts a dominant market share, crafting the minute intricacies of chips as small as 5 nanometers. With clients like Apple and Nvidia, TSMC's silicon is the heartbeat of today's tech ecosystem. From its Taiwanese roots, TSMC's reach extends worldwide, with facilities in China and the United States. Its commitment to research and development fuels continuous innovation, ensuring TSMC remains at the industry's cutting edge. But it's not just about the chips. TSMC's vision is green, striving for sustainability in a world thirsty for technology. With plans to expand in Arizona and beyond, TSMC isn't just powering devices. It's shaping a future where tech and environmental stewardship go hand in hand.